Hey, it's Sam with WTI. I am here to tell you that you need this trash can. So we just got back from a 15-hour road trip. And before we left, I got this little trash can here that attaches to your car in hopes of kind of cutting down on some of that clutter that you get when you go on road trips. It was amazing. I really like the design here. It has these flaps to keep the trash in. It also has some nice pockets that you can hold maybe a water bottle or napkins, anything like that. It is completely detachable, so you can take it out and empty it very easily. You open it like this, and you could put a little bag in there if you prefer, or it's very easy to clean, so you can just leave it as is as well. So if you are someone who is looking for a trash can in your car, whether you have kids, you're going on a road trip, or you just are a clean person, I definitely think you should give this a try, and that is my point of view.